how to factory reset Windows 10. In this video, we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's just start. In order to do so, you may go ahead and open up your settings first. In order to open up your settings, you may hit Windows plus I directly and open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go ahead and look out for the option called Update and Security from the given options on your screen. Just go ahead and click on it. And after clicking on it, look for the recovery option from your left side of the menu. Once you go ahead and click on recovery, you should be finding this. So all you gotta do is under this very first option, you should be finding reset this PC. Go ahead and click on get started in order to start up the process. Once you do that, it gives you two options. You can either keep your files and reset everything, or you can remove everything and factory reset everything. So just go ahead and choose one of the method that you prefer. For now, let's select the first step, and you need to get things ready. It may take about some minutes in order to do so. After that, you can select in which method you would like to reinstall Windows and select one, and it will start processing of your factory reset. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.